Hello, I'm Jason, and I'm gonna do a video. It's my first video, so bear with me. It's all about replacing something that's pretty gross, and a lot more people have it than a lot of people actually realize. That's replacing an ileostomy bag, a poo bag in other words. I have a two-piece product I'm gonna replace here, and let's get going. First of all, I'm just going to show you some of the stuff that is needed to replace it. One is the powder. If some people have a lot of broken down skin, here's silver nitrate to help protect it. And what I use is around the seal of the base. I don't trust it at all. It's spraying out on me, so I have a product called Tegaderm. And I put that, surround that around the base, so it adds a little bit more protection for me. And also the paste. This product I like the best out of the other ones I've used. And the product for the bags is Coloplast. I've tried others and I absolutely hate them. This is the best I found on the market. Anyway, what I've done is this is what I have currently, and I use this as a little easy access garbage bag and emergency containment, because sometimes it's pretty active still. And take off my shirt for easier processing. So, don't worry, nothing that's going to be shown, just need more room. Okay, so let's take off the old one. The old Tegaderm, as I mentioned, comes out very easy. A bag usually lasts about 3 to 5 days. Beyond that, it starts breaking down around the seal, the base of it, and it just stops containing the bad stuff, I would say. And now let's go around the actual base itself. I've had this for 5 months, and I will be going for surgery tomorrow. No, 2 days from now, thank God. I've had Crohn's disease and surgery, and they put this on while that intestines heal. So now it is almost taken off. Alright, so that is nasty stuff, and this is an Illeostomy. This is the small intestine. Just have to take off the crud that's around it. What an Illeostomy is it is coming out some. An Illeostomy is slit open small intestines, so very little nutrients are being absorbed by my body through this, so I've lost a lot of weight. Very, very hard to maintain the weight that I have. Like I say, it is very, very gross. That's necessary evil, I guess. Get that stuff off. Now use a moistened wet pad to wipe around, clean up the other stuff better, and using hot water really makes the skin feel nice. Really very irritated sometimes. Got some paste on there. too much, then you totally lose the adhesion of the base. See a little bit? That's pretty good. So, see, looking very, very nice around the base of it. There's very little irritation at all. I really like to see that. Sometimes the poo has seeped through the seal and it totally irritates, opens up the skin. It's very acidic. At least this is thick. I've had other times it's come out and it's absolutely liquefied. I hate it. It's really bad. Okay, now the stoma powder to sprinkle around it. Don't know if the webcam is very good, but that's all I got. Skin, pat it down. More pop notes. Put it off first. And if I have a video of some guy pooing out of his face. What can I say? This video I'm just making for informational aspect for people that have an ileostomy or colostomy, or for others that are just interested in what exactly is it, because not many people get a chance to